Once upon a time, I was too focused on executing my movements rather than thinking and feeling about the music. Then I decided to make my own music, and that decision has changed my freestyle journey significantly. And today I'm about to tell you the fundamental aspects of finding the rhythms or creating your own rhythms. So stay with me till the end. This is the first episode of Learning Music for Dancers. And make sure that you follow other episodes that I upload on my YouTube channel. The first thing you need to know is pulse or the beat. Music has been made by beat or pulse, and pulse plays a significant role like our hearts in our bodies. So pulse or beat is the heart of the music, and it makes music alive and consistent. Our heartbeats sound like this: boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, and it is consistent and it makes us alive. The second thing you need to know is our beats should be contained in a home, as we say measure. Measure or bar is a home for beats. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go to the next home or next bar, and again 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why we count dance movements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because there are only 4 beats per each bar or per each measure. This is our friend metronome. Metronome is a tool that can help us to learn basic rhythms. And also we can use metronome to know how to count. The number that you can see in the middle of the metronome is the tempo. Tempo means the speed of a particular music. 90 BPM means we can hear 90 beats per minute in that song. This is time signature that can show 4 beats exist in a bar, and each beat is quarter note. If we change the time signature, the way that we count beats in a music will change. We have 3 beats in a bar. We can have 2 beats per bar. But it's important to know that house music and hip-hop music are in 4/4 time signature. That's why we count dance movements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whole notes last for 4 beats, which is a whole measure in 4/4 meter. And half notes last for half as long as whole notes. 2 beats in 4/4 time. Quarter notes last for a quarter of a whole note. 1 beat. The 8th note has a duration of half a quarter note, so we can hear beats faster in the same tempo. And triplet feel. And the last one is 16th note, that we can hear beats very fast. Rests are used to indicate silence, just as notes are used to indicate sound. Like notes, rests can last for any number of beats. You can create your own rhythm, mixing and combining note values or rest values in your bars. For example, if we want to create our own rhythm, we can do this: 1, 2, 3N 4N. It is a rhythm that we create right now, like bum, 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 or something else like bum, 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 bum. So you can create your own rhythm by mixing note values. One thing that you must pay attention is every layer in music has its own rhythm. Thank you for staying here, and I hope this tutorial can help you to understand the basics and fundamentals of the music, and make sure that you understand all of the things that I've said. If you don't really understand it, and let me know in the comments. This video is not the end of musicality or rhythm practices, but it is the beginning of your music journey and dance. Try to understand what I've just said and incorporate them with your dance moves. There are several applications that can help you to practice rhythms, finding rhythms or creating rhythms. I put the link on description. See you on the next episode. Bye bye.